Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study two differential equations which are reducible to linear differential equation with constant coefficients. They are known as Cauchy's linear equation and Legendre's linear equation. We will see how to reduce them to linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So first consider Cauchy's linear equation whose general form is x raised to n d raised to n y upon dx raised to n plus a1 into x raised to n minus 1 into d raised to n minus 1 y upon dx raised to n minus 1 plus so on plus an minus 1 into x dy upon dx plus an y is equal to f of x, where all these ai's they are constants. Now we will see how to reduce it to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So as we want constant coefficients, and here each derivative is multiplied by the independent variable, power of independent variable x. So what we will do, here we will make the substitution for that independent variable itself as x is equal to e raised to z, that is, or z is equal to log x. Now, as we want to change these derivatives, so we start with this term x dy by dx. So we will evaluate derivative dy upon dx first. So it will be dy upon dx is equal to, so this term can be adjusted like this, dy upon dz into dz upon dx. Z is log x, hence dz upon dx is what? 1 upon x. Therefore, dy upon dx it will becomes dy upon dz into 1 upon x. What we want? We want x into dy upon dx. Therefore, we will take this x on the left hand side. That will give us x into dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dz. Now, we will write down this right hand side into the operator form, for which we will replace this d upon dz by capital D, that will give us x into dy by dx is equal to capital D of y. So this is about the first order derivative term. Now we will go for finding d2y upon d square y upon dx square, which is equal to the derivative of dy upon dx with respect to x. In the earlier derivative, we have obtained dy upon dx as 1 upon x into dy upon dz. Now, operate this d upon dx on these two terms. Use the product rule of derivative, that will give us minus 1 upon x square. So that is the derivative of 1 upon x into dy upon dz as it is, plus 1 upon x into derivative of dy upon dz with respect to x. Now I will simplify this second term further as first term as it is, second term 1 upon x will be again that term also as it is, and this d upon dx will be written like this, d upon dz of dz upon dx into this dy upon dz as it is. So this d upon dx term we have written rewritten like this. Now again this dz upon dx is 1 upon x, and therefore this term it will becomes minus 1 upon x square dy upon dz plus 1 upon x square into d upon dz into dy upon dz. Now we want to write down this term into the operator form. Before that, this d upon dz into dy upon dz will be what? D square y upon dz square. So that will give us d square y upon dx square is equal to, first term as it is, second term will be plus 1 upon x square d square y upon dz square. Now we will rewrite these terms as 1 upon x square d square y upon dz square minus dy upon dz. Now write down these terms into the operator form, that will give us, and take the x square on the left hand side So on the right hand side we left with d square minus d of y, where this capital D is d upon dz, and therefore the expression is, take d common, so we will be getting x square into d square y upon dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 of y. So this is, see, the second order derivative term with x square. In same way, similarly we can write the third order derivative term as, comparing with the previous two terms, so x cube into d cube y upon dx cube is equal to d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 of y. So in this way we can obtain all the derivative terms likewise only. So when we make all these substitutions in the given differential equation 1, so it will reduces to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients, which can be solved as before. So whatever methods we have studied, using them we can solve the differential equation 1, which got reduced to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Here already I have mentioned that this capital D is the operator which is d upon dz. So this is about the Cauchy's linear equation. In same way, we will see what substitution can be made for the Legendre's linear equation, using which it can be reduced to linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So Legendre's linear equation is, its general form is ax plus b raised to n d raised to n y upon dx raised to n plus a1 into x plus b raised to n minus 1 into d raised to n minus 1 y upon dx raised to n minus 1 plus so on, plus an minus 1 x plus b into dy upon dx plus an y is equal to f of x. We call this differential equation as 2. We have called 1 to the Cauchy's linear equation. So here we have called it as 2, where these a, b and all ai's, they are constants. So again this differential equation will be reduced to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients by making the substitution for this ax plus b as e raised to z. Therefore z is equal to log of ax plus b. Now again we will obtain the dy by dx, but here just by comparing with the previous case we are going to note down the formulae. So ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to a into d of y. So this term can be replaced by a into d of y. Next, x plus b bracket square into d square y upon dx square will be replaced by a square into d minus 1 of y. Similarly, third term ax plus b cube into d cube y upon dx cube is equal to, so this term will be replaced by a cube into d minus 1 into d minus 2 of y. So likewise we can replace all the terms, and therefore the differential equation 2 will be reduced to the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Once we get such linear differential equation, it will be solved using the methods that we have studied. So this is Legendre's linear differential equation. So are the two equations which can be reduced to linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now we will see the examples. Solve the differential equation d square y upon dx square plus 1 upon x into dy upon dx plus 1 upon x square into y is equal to 12 log x divided by x square. Now, if we observe this differential equation, it is not linear differential equation with constant coefficients, because here dy by dx has coefficient 1 upon x and here y has coefficient 1 upon x square. And for that reason, what we will do, we will multiply throughout by x square, and hence in the solution this given differential equation can be written as So by multiplying throughout by x square, our equation it becomes x square into dy by d square y upon dx square plus x into dy upon dx plus y is equal to 12 log x. We call this as 1, and which is what? Now Cauchy's linear equation. So again recall the substitutions. Make the substitution for x as e raised to z, that is z is equal to log x. X into dy by dx will be replaced by d of y. X square into d2y upon dx square will be replaced by d into d minus 1 of y. So there are only these two derivative terms. So replace these derivatives by their corresponding values in 1. So 1 it becomes now d into d minus 1 of y plus d of y plus y is equal to 12 log of, we have replaced x by e raised to z, or simply we can replace log x by z directly. Simplifying it, we will be getting differential equation as d square plus 1 of y is equal to 12z. See, multiply by this d inside the bracket, so it will give us d square y minus dy. So that dy will get cancelled and we left with d square plus 1 of y. So see, this is the required linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Now we are going to solve this. Auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 equal to 0 and roots are d equal to plus minus I. Hence, complementary function is yc is equal to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z, as our independent variable is z now. Now we will go to find yp. Yp is given by formula 1 upon phi of d of f of z. Here our phi of d is d square plus 1, 12z. Now this z is a polynomial function and we know that how to solve or how to get the yp in case of the polynomial function. In case of polynomial function, we are expressing our denominator in the form 1 upon 1 plus say t. Already 1 is there in the denominator, so we can rewrite it as yp is equal to, we have taken 12 to the left of the operator as it is constant. So 12 into 1 upon 1 plus d square. So we have written it in the form 1 upon 1 plus t of z. So simplifying it, get the expansion, Maclaurin series expansion for 1 upon 1 plus d square, which is yp is equal to 12 into 1 minus d square plus d raised to 4 minus so on, and operate it on z. So these d square d raised to 4, they will give us derivative of z as 0, and onwards derivatives, they will give us derivative of z as 0. So we simply left with yp as 12 into z minus 0 plus 0 minus so on, remaining all zeros. Hence yp is equal to 12z. So this is the required yp. Hence general solution is y is equal to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z plus 12z. So this is the general solution for the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Then what is the solution of the Cauchy's linear equation, for which again we have to make back substitution. So replace z by log x. So replace each z by log x, that will give us y is equal to c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x plus 12 into log x, which is required general solution. So this is the example based on Cauchy's linear equation, that is the equation reducible to LD with constant coefficients. I hope you have got this. Now let's move on to next example. Example, solve the differential equation 1 plus 2x bracket square d square y upon dx square plus 2 into 1 plus 2x dy upon dx plus 8y is equal to 4 into cos of log of 1 plus 2x. Now here the coefficient of the derivatives, they are it is of the type ax plus b raised to some power. So this given differential equation is the Legendre's linear equation, which is the Legendre's linear equation. To reduce it to linear differential equation with constant coefficients, we will make the substitution for this 1 plus 2x as per our procedure as e raised to z. Therefore, z is equal to log of 1 plus 2x. Now, 1 plus 2x into dy by dx will be replaced by 2 into dy, and 1 plus 2x bracket square into d square y upon dx square will be replaced by 2 square, that is 4 into d minus 1 of y, where this capital D is d upon dz. Make all these substitutions in the differential equation 1. So it will becomes now 4d into d minus 1 of y plus 4d of y plus 8y is equal to 4 cos z. So we'll divide throughout by 4 and we will simplify the terms. So we left with d square minus d plus d. So that minus d plus d will get cancelled and plus 2. So we left with d square plus 2 of y is equal to cos z. So which is the required linear differential equation with constant coefficients, whose auxiliary equation is d square plus 2 equal to 0, roots are plus minus I root 2. Hence, complementary function is yc is equal to c1 cos of root 2z plus c2 sin of root 2 into z. Now we'll go for finding yp. So yp is equal to 1 upon phi of d of f of z. Here phi of d is d square plus 2 and f of z is cos z, which is trigonometric function. And we know that how to evaluate yp in case of trigonometric function. There we are replacing this d square by minus of a square. Here our a is the coefficient of z. In this case it is 1. So we are going to replace this d square by minus 1 square equal to minus 1. Therefore it becomes yp equal to 1 upon minus 1 plus 2 cos z, that is yp equal to cos z. So which is the required particular integral. Hence the general solution is, this is the general solution of, this one is general solution of linear differential equation with constant coefficients, which is y equal to c1 cos of root 2z plus c2 sin of root 2z plus cos z. But we want to find solution for Legendre's linear equation, and for which we will replace this z by log of 1 plus 2x. So replace this here, that will give us y is equal to c1 cos of root 2 into log of 1 plus 2x plus c2 sin of root 2 into log of 1 plus 2x plus cos of log of 1 plus 2x. So which is the required general solution of Legendre's linear equation. I hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching this video.